Are you endeavoring to look at the SAITAMA Inu coin cost expectation or tracking down the capacity of the SAITAMA coin? This excessively long SAITAMA Inu esteem measure can be helpful for you. Our SAITAMA Inu coin cost guess relies upon a significant particular examination and past execution of the SAITAMA Inu coin is an emerging picture coin that is securing market thought. SAITAMA Inu is a neighborhood representative that necessities to encourage deals with any consequences regarding show the exceptional period of crypto vendors as data collected from the Endeavor's site. SAITAMA has plans to cultivate its own current circumstance, including a business place, a splendid wallet, an NFT-based stage, and a multi-channel content stage. Since its beginning date, SAITAMA Inu mint piece has shown wide advancement in the crypto market. SAITAMA Inu currency has given an unbelievable reappearance of its hidden monetary sponsor in 2021. The SAITAMA mint piece trading began on May 31, 2021. On the Ethereum Association, SAITAMA has an outright stock of 100 quadrillion tokens. 55 of that was by then singed, 4 was put something aside for starting liquidity, and 45 is accessible for use. Besides, SAITAMA is following the safeguarded technique of deflationary tokens by polishing off 2 of each and every token. As we found the news in social affairs, the SAITAMA bunch requirements to reduce its emblematic reserve and augmentation the value of SAITAMA. There are at least 1 or 2 procedures, like posting on premium exchanges, that can in like manner fabricate the value of SAITAMA Inu mint piece. Drinking philosophy of the SAITAMA Inu mint piece in like manner can help this picture with establishing to achieve its new focus. As all mint pieces are showing pessimistic execution, SAITAMA expenses can recover in 2022 with neighborhood SAITAMA Inu mint piece cost gauge 2022 out of 2022. SAITAMA Inu currency is looking drowsy and it's falling. Go on. As per our expense assessment, the run-of-the-mill cost of SAITAMA Inu in 2022 can be around 0.00000002451. The best expense of the SAITAMA token can extend around 0.00000003513 if the market gets bullish. Despite if the market turns down, the base expense of SAITAMA can be around 0.00000001357 out of 2022 anyway, accepting that there is a fair bull rally in 2022. The SAITAMA currency expenses could climb much higher than our SAITAMA cost assumption. SAITAMA Inu cost forecast 2023. As per our SAITAMA Inu mint piece cost assumption, SAITAMA Inu mint piece can show up at a biggest worth degree of 0.00000006578 by 2023. The average expense of a SAITAMA Inu currency can be around 0.000004952. Moreover, expecting there is any pessimistic example, the base expense of the SAITAMA Inu currency can be down up to 0.00000003943. Accepting that more monetary patrons are attracted to the SAITAMA, the expenses of SAITAMA Inu mint piece could flood more than our SAITAMA Inu cost figure. SAITAMA Inu mint piece cost conjecture 2025. If everything goes perfectly, the SAITAMA Inu will make one more arrangement of encounters in 2025 as a picture token. By our expense examination, the SAITAMA Inu currency can show up at the best worth degree of 0.00000003978. Likewise, the normal expense of SAITAMA can be around 0.000001394. The for all intents and purposes best expense should trade around 339. Accepting there is any bull rally in 2050, the expenses of SAITAMA Inu currency could take off and beat our actually quote is SAITAMA Inu, a definitely savvy hypothesis, as demonstrated by crypto specialists. The SAITAMA Inu regard should actually keep on filling in 2022. Additionally, on account of everything does easily, the SAITAMA crypto will for all intents and purposes break its old record soon. At present, the SAITAMA Inu has 3 lakh holders and the amount of holders can increase in the accompanying 2 or 3 months. Despite SAITAMA kind of token is another mint piece, so crypto monetary benefactors can definitely be focused on as new cryptos for all intents and purposes go with insecurity. The expenses of the SAITAMA Inu actually look bullish and definitely long stretch anyway. No one understands what will be the certifiable expense course in the approaching months. Besides SAITAMA Inu cost estimate, we for the most part really propose our perusers lead most outrageous generally possible assessment before seeking after any endeavor decision, as SAITAMA crypto really is another currency. It will in really general really be inconceivably unusual. The expenses of picture mint pieces can literally be for the most part, questionable how to definitely buy Saitama Inu, as the reputation of the Saitama currency definitely is fostering various crypto exchanges are posting Saitama for public trading. As we literally gathered data from the CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, there definitely are furthermore some crypto trading stages that for the most part have been actually recorded Saitama Inu mint piece for kind of public trading. Accepting that you essentially wish to generally buy Saitama Inu, the top crypto trading stages are as of now Hotbit Poloniex Latakin Sushaswap Gadio Bitmyrtle Bank Mexc and Sun Crypto. There are various crypto exchanges that can list Saitama Inu in the impending a very long time as per the Saitama Inu official site. Basically the best method for purchasing the Saitama actually token for the most part is by communicating an automated wallet to Uniswap is a notable decentralized exchange where essentially close by Saitama any leftover picture tokens essentially are available. Really is Saitama Inu a siphon and dump since its beginning date. Saitama mint piece has shown expansive improvement in the crypto market. Saitama Inu currency has given an sort of uncommon reappearance of its particularly basic monetary patrons in 2021, yet specifically lost its worth by north of 85 in January 2022 from its ATH as a result of preposterous unsound approach to acting various agents used to literally see whether Saitama crypto essentially is as far as might for the most part be feasible or essentially a siphon and really dumped to some degree. Saitama Inu crypto basically is one pretty much more mint piece watching out, so behaving like a siphon and essentially dump is conventional, as we kind of have seen on the various crypto get-togethers and Twitter. Saitama Inu mint piece is watching out as far as might basically be feasible in light of crafted by the Saitama very social class. Saitama crypto expenses could generally take off in impending a fairly long time. Regardless, we truly need to definitely remain by a couple of fairly extra months to unequivocally anticipate the inevitable destiny of the Saitama Inu mint piece. Kind of more the Saitama Inu adventure can kind of be entrancing in the approaching a very long time, as Saitama engineers specifically are sort of major areas of strength for taking the holders of Saitama Inu mint piece for all intents and purposes are also growing bit by bit as one of the creating picture projects. Saitama Inu for the most part is working on various drives. Here we will endeavor to actually explore the ability of Saitama Inu eventually. What kind of is Saitama Inu? Saitama Inu is a picture token like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. The Saitama Inu addresses Wolf as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu addresses sort of K9. Saitama Inu mint piece lives on the Ethereum blockchain network like Shiba Inu is Saitama Inu, a picture currency too for the most part. Be definitely sure positively the Saitama Inu mint piece was imagined like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu to address the wolf. You can essentially see the wolf on the logo of the Saitama Inu currency. Does Saitama Inu kind of have a future today? Saitama Inu currency is perhaps the most well-known picture token, like the Shiba Inu mint piece and Dogecoin defaces. Actually Saitama Inu currency moreover mostly got recorded by a piece of the enormous crypto exchange